How to edit photos with ChatGPT. So first you want to open up your browser and navigate to chatgpt.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Now all you need to do is start a new chat session, and then you want to click on the plus icon here to add a photo, and then click on add photos and files. And then you can add your photos, or you can simply drag an image and drop it here. Now if you want to edit the image, so for example, if I want to edit this image right here, I can select create image, and then I can ask for the changes I want to do to this photo right here. So for example, I can type make his hair black and make him wear a black sunglasses, and then you can simply send the prompt and wait for it to edit the image and output the result. And it just finished generating the edited file or the image, and as you can see right here. Now if you click on the output result, you should be able to describe edits as well. So for example, I can type make him look like the person in the original image and keep the changes to the glasses and the hair, and just submit the edit for this image, as you can see, and it will start generating another image, which is the edit of this image. And then you can continue through the process till you have a decent looking image. And it just finished editing the image, and as you can see, it looks a lot better and very close to the first image that we've added to the prompt. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.